Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness, and pharmaceutical sciences. Like, share, subscribe. Pharmaceutical Concept. Today's topic is equipment validation. How a equipment is validated. That is discussed in this presentation. The sequence of activity involved in the equipment validation is design qualification DQ, factory acceptance test FAT, installation qualification IQ, operation qualification OQ, performance qualification PQ. This is the flow of equipment validation. So the more activities are done,